Marina Sul with high honors. Francis will also receive Excellence Award being the class top 1. Francis will also receive Kawan Award. Special awards also like first place Math Olympiad Quiz B district level. Finalist Math Olympiad Quiz B division level. One of the top 25 division elimination round Philippine International Math Olympiad. Merit awardee Philippine International Math Olympiad hit round. And he's also the Mr. Yuletide 2023. I would like to request the barangay representative to please come up on stage, ma'am, and also Sir Joel right after. Huh? Okay, thank you so much. Kindly assist fellow grade 3 teachers. Cara Guinep Ponce with high honors. Cara will also receive Value Award and Star Scout Award. Next. Prista L. Roscael with high honors. She will also receive Value Award and the Star Scout Award. Adrian Kyle P. Tingkang with high honors. Adrian will also receive Kawan Award. Requesting the proud parents to don the medals. And also parents, please wear your medal and your certificates. Okay, parents, congratulations.